जब जानसी जानो जो
Good evening, learners. Good evening, friends.
Good evening, sir.
So, we'll begin the this online class. So, let us see how many of you joined, and welcome to the online platform. I hope that this online platform will definitely help you in solving your academic issues, what you have, and in the long run it will also help you uh, in preparing for assignments and writing your examinations. And this is a very important platform for all of you, as you know that at this point of time there is no alternative for conducting the counseling classes at the study centers. So there is only option left out for all of us to have to conduct this online class for the learners to resolve the academic issues. So I must thank you. I must felicitate you that you have your patience and you have your endeavor in participating in the online class and discussing the important topics of your choice and of your syllabus or of your curriculum and with the resource persons. So I am also many students also very much interested and to join this online class because it's a real platform and which can boost your knowledge and through discussion I hope that through discussion it can be possible. So you can as you know that it's a very interesting because this is my most liking subject for in my case it is more on my part it is a you can say for me or for you also it may be a liking subject. And as you know that Indian freedom struggle is a really interesting things what you find and how and we are ruled by the British government, how the British left, and what are the legacies left behind us, so that uh, till date we are struggling and with these difficulties. Uh, so, with these few words, without wasting time, I now request our resource person, Dr. S.S. Kaur, to uh, have a discussion to highlight those important topics or important contents of MHI
Sorry.
9 and with you so that what are the problems of what are the difficulties you are encounter while going through the study materials it can be discussed in this open platform. I welcome all the students to this online platform. I also welcome our resource person, Dr. S.S. Kaur, to this online platform. And I hope that this online platform will give you a scope and a opportunity to discuss those points which you do not understand, which you are facing in or which you are facing while going through the materials. And I must say that while going through the or while writing the assignment, you also may face the similar kind of problems. So that is why I request all of you that please, because before writing the assignments, because the assignment question will be available in August or last part of August, and you have to fill up, because as you know that June term and exam, it has not been held in our region or across India because of the spread of pandemic. So very shortly it will be held, or it will be rescheduled in the month of September. And after that, you will have given the opportunity to fill up the form, examination form, and submission of assignments. There are many things you have to do, and side by side I'll help you and will provide you academic support to my learners, and not to worry about it, and not to bother about it. Rather, you have to keep patience, and you have to attend all the online classes which are held by the regional center. And I hope that you have. I am also a little bit desperate yesterday that very few students were attending the online classes, and I thought that from my side there is some problems which the student could not turn up, and I also requested many students that to give it in the WhatsApp, so that through WhatsApp or digital or social media, or because we have a WhatsApp group, and through this WhatsApp the student can know that that the classes are being held through online. So with these few words, now it is over to Dr. S.S. Kaur. Please continue the class and have an interaction with our learners. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening to all students. Uh, in our last class, dear students, we have discussed background of the Indian national movement. That is, ଭାରତୀୟ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ସଂଗ୍ରାମର ଆମେ ପୃଷ୍ଠଭୂମି ଆଲୋଚନା କରୁଥିଲେ. Now, today we'll discuss what are the theories of nationalism. One of the students yesterday had asked me, what is modernist theories? Yes, am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yesterday we had discussed about the national movement. So today we'll discuss what are the theories. Let me tell you, there are few theories, that is non-modernist theories and modernist theories. We'll discuss it today. You see, what is non-modernist theory? As far as modernist theories is concerned, in the context of nationalism, the modernists, they believe that the nationalism is a product of not more than last 3 centuries. Actually, the modernist and the non-modernist, they are diverse in opinions. Modernist ଏବଂ non-modernist, ଏମାନଙ୍କର ଭ୍ୟୁରେ, ଏମାନଙ୍କର ଓପିନିଅନରେ ଟିକେ ଡାଇଭର୍ସ ରହୁଛି. ସୋ ଆମକୁ ଦୁଇଟା ଜିନିଷ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ. So the theory of nationalism can be broadly divided into modernist and non-modernist. So let us discuss what the modernist think. Modernist theory काना थिला. So anyway, as I have told you, that the modernist think that the nationalism is a modern phenomenon, and it is a product of not more than last 3 centuries. On the other hand, the non-modernists, they did not believe this. They believed it must have evolved over a long stage of time. माने ये जातीयता बा नेशनलिज्म एटा गोटे बहुत समय माने नहीं थिला सृष्टि हवा पाई. However, here I will cite you an example. एटारे मैं गोटे उदाहरण उपस्थापन करी, that is given by Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who was the propounder of the Pakistani nationalism, or who was the founder of modern Pakistan. Ali Jinnah, आपण माने जानी थिबे. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Muhammad
sir.
Ali Jinnah. Have you heard the name?
Yes, sir.
And who is Muhammad Ali Jinnah? Hello?
He's the founder of Pakistan, or the
Founder of
Pakistan
Pakistan.
nationalism. Who is
So,
at first
and
who
he-
creates?
Uh,
Hello.
yes, yes. Your voice is audible to me.
Yes,
Please
sir.
tell me.
The concept of Pakistan and the Muslim nation at first is developed by Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He want to
Very good. Very good.
separate
Very good.
the Muslim group of Muslim from the Hindus, and he think that Indian National Congress was a Hindu-dominated group, political group, from which there is no place of Muslim, and they should form a new group. So Pakistan is developed.
Anyway, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, as I have told you, he was the founder of modern Pakistan and also founder of the Pakistani nationalism. And he said that from actually his time was from 1940 onwards, that a Muslim nation was not a product of recent political development. Se कहले जे Muslim nation was not a product of recent political development. माने recently Muslim nation ताको माने ये रे है नहीं. But that a Muslim nation existed in fully finished form in the medieval past. मध्ययुग medieval past रे Muslim राष्ट्रटा हमें थिला. When Jinnah was asked about the exact location of the Muslim nation, जेतेले Jinnah को पछा गेला जे exactly Muslim रो लोकेशन टा काना, Muslim nation रो लोकेशन टा कोन थिला, एवं से कहले जे पाकिस्तान already existed since a long time. पाकिस्तान बहुत आगरू थिला बोली से उपस्थापन करथिले. So it was not created in the recent past. से कहले जे पाकिस्तान recent past रे सृष्टि हेई नाही. He further clarified in a speech. पुणे तांकर स्पीच से पुणे स्पष्ट कर देथिले जे Pakistan was not the product of the conduct or misconduct of the Hindus. It had always been there, only the Muslims were not conscious of it. এটা আগ্রহ थिला এবং মুসলিম সম্প্রদায় মানে ଏହା সচেতন নথিলে. Anyway, this is about the modernist theory, and this is the non-modernist theory. But the modernists did not believe that. What they believed that that the nationalism, as I have told you, it must have evolved over a long stage of time. Modernist मानकर कहवार अनुसार हमरो एटा नेशनलिज्म एटा शब्दटा बहुत माने सृष्टि हेबा पई बा उत्पत्ति हेबा पई बहुत समय नहीं थिला. So this is about modernist and non-modernist. Then any doubt about this? Hello? Hello?
Dear learners, do you have any doubt? If you have doubt, then whatever the contents Sarah has already discussed, do you have any doubt? You can ask good question. Otherwise, you can say go ahead, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Then the discussion will proceed. Otherwise, sir may be asking you, and you just one of you just unmute your speaker and say, Rakesh, Are you hearing?
Yes, sir.
Rakesh, are you hearing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. You take the leadership and say, if you have a doubt on behalf of the student, you can ask question or you can put forth the question before the resource person. And if it is okay, then you can say, sir, that sir, you can proceed further, sir. Okay. In that way,
Sir,
you can. Okay. Okay.
yes, sir. Actually, this is the question is asked by any other student last
Okay.
class, so that I am wait for her reply, so that I can't say anything. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay. Then we'll go to next unit. That is,
Sir, hello.
hello. Is there any doubt?
Sir, from my point of view,
Uh,
the theories are divided into two types. The one is non-modernist theory and another is modernist theory.
modernist theory. Okay.
But the non-modernist theory is separated, is divided also into three types.
Three types. That is the evolutionist.
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it?
Yes, sir. Naturalist and perennialist.
Perennialist.
But, sir, I have a doubt in perennialist. I don't understand. But
In total, we have seen there is a diverse of opinion in the nationalism. Don't go to that, but actually there is diverse of opinion among the modernists and the non-modernists on the point of
sir,
nationalism. On the
you
point
have
of nationalism.
yes, sir. I have a doubt from perennialist, but you are explained it in a well manner. And the speech of Muhammad Ali Jinnah in Aligarh in 1944, then I have
19
understood it. But yes, sir. But what is the idea of evolutionist? Evolutionist idea about the development of nation, and what is their idea?
As I have told you that the non-modernist, the modernists, they believe that the nationalism is a recent, evolved from a recent past, not very long ago. Is not it? That is the thing. Hello.
Yes, sir. But my question is from non-modernist theory.
Yes,
Sir?
yes, yes.
But my question is from non-modernist theory, which is divided into three types. One is naturalist, another is evolutionist, and the perennialist. You have discussed about the perennialist, but I am also understood the naturalist. But there is a question of idea of evolutionist. What is their idea about the development of nation?
Actually, they are grouped. They are grouped in one category. So their belief is one. They believe that the nationalism is not evolved through a long span of years. Is not it? The evolution of nationalism, it has taken place long stage of time. It has taken a long stage of time, according to the non-modernist. But the modernists, they do not believe this. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But sir, hello. But sir, naturalists view that this natural view that it is grow itself and it is the state of mind. What is nation? Nation is a state of mind. But perennialist told that it is already existed. But what is the view of evolutionist? What do they want to say? What is their idea about the development of
Actually, the view of the evolutionist is not mentioned here. Is not mentioned. Okay.
Okay, sir. But in the page number 1.4.1, there are three views. So that I asked this.
No, here it is not mentioned. Only the your perennialist and another one is naturalist. these two things are there.
But just see, sir, the last paragraph of the page number 15. Page number 15. The last paragraph is about the modernist. But before that, there is one paragraph where there is something about told about the evolutionist. The paragraph is started with yet another important non-modernist position is the evolutionist one. Evolutionist one.
Yeah.
Just see, sir.
1 minute.
Hello, let me intervene. One thing is a simple procedure. Evolutionary process means is a gradual development. Okay, evolution means a Darwin theory. Darwin theory, you can apply this Darwin theory to our Indian nationalism. It's a gradual development of intellectual mass, or it is a gradual development awareness among the Indians about Indian nationalism, because it's not a one-day affair. It is not a 2 days affair. It is not a monthly affair. Rather, you can say it is a years and years. So through these years and years, so there was a gradual development of awareness or enlightenment among the intellectual masses regarding the freedom struggle. Okay, so that is why it is called evolutionary process. So it is very simple. That is why the theory is not given in detail, because which is understood by the student. So that is why it is not explained in a study material.
Yes, sir. It is not given details in this.
This is a very simple Rakesh. Evolutionary process, Darwin theory, evolutionary process. You see, taking the example.
It is applied here. Okay.
Yes, it's the same thing. It's a nature, because your nature, Darwin theory. What is Darwin theory? Darwin theory is that a man and nature is always coping with each other. Okay, if it needs to change, man also changes. So if ecology, because it depends on the ecology, that if the ecology you can say requires some kind of modification in the human civilization, automatically human civilization is modified as per the ecology, because environment cannot be modified, because the human civilization will be modified as per the ecology. So that is why it's very simple that an evolutionary process, it is a simple procedure of gradual development. Okay, so that is why it is not given in the it is not given in detail, just because which is understood by the student. So that is why it is not given in the study material. Okay, sir, go ahead, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you. Then there this part 1 is complete. Today we discuss about then foundation of Indian nationalism. Foundation of Indian nationalism. Okay. Hello. We'll proceed to foundation of Indian nationalism.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Proceed, sir.
Here there are some points, that is legacies of revolt. You see, as you earlier discussed, that during the beginning of the 19th century, a sort of national consciousness or awareness was creating among the Indians, especially the Bengali elite. And during this time, a number of rebellions had taken place, starting from the Peasant Revolution, the Sannyasi and Fakir Rebellion, that is in the year 1760, then the Santal Rebellion, and that is in Bhagalpur, and many other rebellions that had taken place. And it was is a very difficult task on the part of the Britishers to suppress this revolt, because it was during this time that a sort of consciousness was, as there was a sort of consciousness was created, and this culminated ଏସବୁ ଯୋଉ ବିଦ୍ରୋହ ଗୁଡା କହିଥିଲା ତାର ମାନେ ଇଏ ଶେଷ ହେଇଥିଲା 1857 ମସିହା ସିପାହୀ ବିଦ୍ରୋହରେ। ଏବଂ এই বিদ্রোহরে we had seen different categories of people had joined, অর্থাৎ বিভিন্ন প্রকার অসন্তোষ গোষ্ঠী এই বিদ্রোহরে যোগদান করছিল, লাইক দি প্রিন্সেস, the soldiers, the peasants, and the zamindars. So all these people, they were dissatisfied with the British administration. एमाने समस्ते ब्रिटिश सरकार विरोध में योगदान करते এবং সেমানকর স্বার্থরে বাধা সৃষ্টি হয়েছিল। Another thing is that the sepoys, the Indian sepoys, ब्रिटिश सैन्य बाहिनी रे आमर भारतीय सैनिक माने विशेष भाव में असंतोष होती, जहाँ फल कि विद्रोह होता। And another thing is that a विद्रोह जदियो सिपाही मानकर विद्रोह थिला, though it was the sepoy mutiny or the revolt of the sepoys, but none of its leaders were sepoys. ये 1857 मसीहार जो विद्रोह है सिपाही विद्रोह, ये विद्रोह रे विद्रोहर नेता माने कहीं भी सिपाही नथिले। टेक फॉर एग्जांपल नाना साहेब, बहादुर शाह, झांसी रानी. So none of these persons, of these people, they were sepoys. And these people, they had joined in this revolt because of their personal interest. व्यक्तिगत स्वार्थ को लेकर से माने योगदान करते। टेक फॉर एग्जांपल द जमींदार, जमींदार माने तांकर स्वार्थ हरैथिले, तांकर जमींदारी हरैथिले। कृषक माने सेमानकर जमी येटा तांकर हरैथिले। राजा माने तांकर साम्राज्य व राज्य हरैथिले। So different categories of people joined in this revolt. एवं ए विद्रोह it was जहाँ भी हो ए विद्रोहटा एटा को आमर ब्रिटिश एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ये थिले सर जॉन विलियम, से यहाँ को सिपाही युद्ध नाम रे नामित करथिले एवं आउ जने ब्रिटिश ऐतिहासिक यहाँ को सिपाही विद्रोह नाम रे नामित कले। बट ऑन द अदर हैंड जहाँ भी हो ए विद्रोह को जो भाव में इंग्रेज ऐतिहासिक माने नामित कले, भारतीय ऐतिहासिक माने ताकू ग्रहण कले नहीं। The Indian scholars or the Indian historians, they did not accept the British historian views. But according to them, अर्थात आमर भारतीय ऐतिहासिक मानकर मध्य रे it was the first organized Indian war of independence. अर्थात यह थिला भारतीय मानकर प्रथम संगठित स्वाधीनता संग्राम एवं ए विद्रोह it was based on two principles. सिपाही विद्रोह जो 1857 मसीह रे हला, एटा तीटा कारण पई हला। ए विप्लव दुईटा नीति थिला, गुडे हला स्वधर्म एंड स्वराज एवं स्वधर्म और स्वराज दुईटा प्रिंसिपल बेस थिला। एवं इन एडिशन टू दैट और बिसाइड्स दैट हमें देखिया को पाइला ए विद्रोह रे सब माने बोथ हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम्स उभय हिंदू एवं मुसलमान संप्रदाय योगदान करथिले एवं सेमानकर जीवन मध्य देथिले। तो जेहेतु सब संप्रदायर लोक माने विद्रोह रे योगदान करथिले, तेणु या गोटे जातीय संग्राम कहा जिबा यथार्थ बोली मने हुए। सेकंड थिंग इज दैट another group of historian, how good माने ग्रुप ऑफ हिस्टोरियन एटा को ग्रहण ना करे। सेमान को मतरे अकॉर्डिंग टू देम दिस revolt or the revolt of 1857, it was not an organized war. अर्थात यह एक संगठित विद्रोह बा रिवोल्ट नथिला। सेकेंडली इट वाज विद्रोही माने विद्रोह पर देशर अवस्था कौन हम से जानी नथिले। एंड थर्डली दिस रिवोल्ट वाज नॉट स्प्रेड टू दी ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री। भारतर सबु प्रांत को सबु स्थान को ये विद्रोह माने प्रसारित हो पारि नथिला। तेणुक से माने ये सब दृष्टि ए विद्रोह को एक जातीय संग्राम बा एक ଜାତୀୟ ସଂଗ୍ରାମ ଭାବରେ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରିବାକୁ ସେମାନେ ଉଚିତ ମନେ କଲେ ନାହିଁ। ଯାହା ବି ହଉ ଯେହେତୁ ଏହା ଏକ ମିଳିତ ବିଦ୍ରୋହ ଥିଲା ତେଣୁ ଏବଂ ଏ ବିଦ୍ରୋହ ପଛରେ ଏକ ଜାତୀୟତା ଆମେ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପାଇଥିଲା ସବୁ ଗୋଷ୍ଠୀର ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ। So it should be better be called as the Great Indian Revolt of 1857 ବା 1857 ମସିହାର ବିଦ୍ରୋହ କୁହାଗଲେ ଏହାକୁ ଠିକ ହେବ। Anyway, you see, it was during this time also the actually the revolt was a failure one. It was, as I have told you, the revolt did not could not continue due to various reasons. It may be either lack of leadership, lack of weapons, lack of communications. There are a number of reasons for this failure. But one more important thing is that गोटे जिनस विद्रोह पर गोटे बड़ आम खाली परिवर्तन देखा पाइला सेटा शासन रे गोटे परिवर्तन होता अर्थात henceforward India would be governed by British queen or prince or princess राजा किंबा रानी द्वारा शासित हम. So this was a turning point. So anyway, it was from this time, from 1857 onwards, the nationalism or जहाँ को जातीयता हमें देखा पाई. Second thing is that it was during this time a sort of intellectual awakening. गोटे प्रकार शिक्षित संप्रदाय मध्य गोटे awakening होता. Because you see the press, the vernacular press was there to सरकार को विरोध में प्रकाश करने आमर देशीय संवाद पत्र आई vernacular press. But during the time of Lord Lytton, जो समय बर्लाड लिटन भारत बर्लाड थे से vernacular press देशीय संवाद पत्र को क्षमता को संकुचित करने चाहिए. जहाँफल जदियो से या दमन करने चाहिए संकुचन करने चाहिए किंतु ए प्रमाणित है भारतीय माने कित मात्रा असंतोष है. Because these magazines, these newspapers, they created a sort of awareness against the British administration. Anyway, another thing is that it was during this time we have seen that the British, the Bengali people also they demanded more employment in the government sector. Therefore, परवर्ती आम जो थे बर्लाड लॉर्ड लिटन जो लॉर्ड रिपन से चेष्टा करते भारतीय मान को सिविल सर्विस भारतीय प्रशासनिक सेवा भारतीय मान को अनेक सुजोग देवाई किंतु आईन से आईन प्रचलन कर पारि नथिले. बिकॉज दे वर against, they were in favor of the Indians. भारतीय मान सपक्ष थे किंतु कौन से पदक्षेप नहीं पारी. Third thing is that there was a changes in this time. इस समय गोटे बड़ परिवर्तन होता फ्रॉम एग्रेरियन टू इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन. कृषि रु शिल्प आड़ गोटे परिवर्तन होता. You see, and this also created a sort of nationalism from agrarian to industrialization. This also created a sort of nationalism. कृषि रु शिल्प आड़ को गोटे परिवर्तन होता जहाँकि गोटे अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करथिला. Then another thing is that economic exploitation. In our previous class, that is in the undergraduate, we have already discussed about the economic exploitation of the British people. इंग्रेज माने किपरि भाव रे हमको अर्थनैतिक दृष्टि माने भाव रे शोषण करूले. They collected revenue and those revenue went to England. जहाँ भी सब खजना आदाय कराउतला ता इंग्लैंड को जाउतला. इंग्लैंड रो आर्थिक विकास होतला. In addition to that, the Indian raw materials, भारत रो जो कपा चाष होता इंग्लैंड को जाऊला इंग्लैंड तैयारी सारा पर भारत को आसूला चढ़ा दर में बिक्री होता जोटा कि इतार द्वारा कौन है या द्वारा कौन है भारत जो आम जो थिला कुटीर शिल्प ग्राम्य शिल्प सबू तार पतन होता लोक मैंने निजर जीविका हरइले रिपोर्टर्स दि वेवर्स the goldsmith everybody they lost their livelihood because of this economic exploitation. So because of all these things a sort of awareness created. Another thing is that it was during the time different type of political associations also came into exist. इस समय गुड़ाए आमर जातीय संगठन political organization मध्य हमें देखा पाई you see that is the British Indian Association was founded in Calcutta in the year 1851. One such organization was the British Indian Association जोटा कलिकता रे 1851 मसीह रे तैयारी होइतिला एवं by the जमींदार्स ऑफ बेंगल बिहार एंड ओडिशा या पर आ मध्य गुड़ा संगठन आसीतिले तैयारी होइतिला विभिन्न प्रकार आईन मध्य प्रचलन हला किंतु one of the most important thing is that it was the most crucial time, that is the foundation of Indian National Congress. The foundation of Indian National Congress, as already we have discussed earlier, that to represent the grievance of the Indian people. It was a very important organization, and to represent the grievance of the Indian people, it was founded by Englishman A.O. Hume. That is in the year 1885. 1885 मसीह भारतीय मानकर दाबी भारत मानकर अभियोग को उपस्थापन करने सरकार को आगे जड़े ब्रिटिश भद्र व्यक्ति विशिष्ट व्यक्ति यही संस्था भारतीय जातीय संगठन जातीय कांग्रेस प्रतिष्ठा करते से बहु प्रचेषा करते विभिन्न व्यक्ति सहयोग करते प्रचेषा बॉम्बे रे आमर गोटे अधिवेशन है से अधिवेशन आप जानी जे भारत सबु प्रांत लोक मैंने आसी पॉलिटिशियंस माने राजनीतिक व्यक्ति गुड़ाक योगदान करते एंड इट वाज इन द ईयर 1885 1885 मसीहा डिसेम्बर 30 और 31 दुई दिन धरी बॉम्बे रे गोटे अधिवेशन बसला और सेठारे भारतीय जातीय कांग्रेस जन्मलाभ होता. सो द बर्थ ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस constitute an important topic or chapter in the history of India. भारत इतिहास रे भारतीय जातीय कांग्रेस जन्म गोटे मुख्य अध्याय सृष्टि करथिला कारण ताको बेस करी ताको आधार करी परवर्ती समय रे हमर जातीय संग्राम आरंभ होइतिला. So another thing is that as I have told you earlier that this Congress, the work of the Congress, but Congress कार्य पंथा को आगुरी कही द्विभाग विभक्त कराइला. That is the early phase from 1885 to 1905 प्रथम पर्याय, and the second phase, that is 1905 to 1920, and third phase, that is from 1922 onwards, that is up to independence we have seen. So Indian National Congress played a very important role, very eminent role in the freedom struggle of India. भारतीय स्वाधीनता संग्राम रे भारतीय जातीय कांग्रेस मुख्य भूमिका ग्रहण करती है. And also we have discussed earlier that most of leaders initially were moderates. प्रथम पर्यायर कांग्रेस सबू नेता शांति नीति बा पीसमेंट पॉलिसी रे विश्वास करते and different topics were discussed in the sessions of the कांग्रेस रो विभिन्न अधिवेशन रे विभिन्न गुड़ा जिनस गुड़ाक आलोचना कराइला अर्थात शिक्षा विभाग को किपरि विकास हो, विचार विभाग किपरि मार्जित हो, प्रतिरक्षा विभाग किपरि आउ टिके उन्नत हो, ये सब विभिन्न जिनस गुड़ाक आलोचना होतला एवं तार जहाँ सब आलोचना होतला तार एक कॉपी बा तार एक नकल ब्रिटिश इंडिया पाखक ईस्ट इंडिया ब्रिटिश सरकार पाखु कांग्रेस पठाउथिले बा इंटिमेट करुथिले किंतु दिस वाज ओनली बिलीव दैट गोटे मात्र विश्वास थिला कि सरकार तांकर कांग्रेस प्रति विश्वास रखिबे एवं कांग्रेस रो विकास पई अर्थात लोकमान को शासन क्षेत्र सुविधा देवा पई सहयोग करिवे दिस वाज द ओनली बिलीव बट इन द मीन टाइम इति मध्ये कोन होइतला 20 वर्ष बीती गला but the government British government did not pay any heed to Indian nationalism कौन सी प्रकार ध्यान देले नहीं ता फल कि कांग्रेस संगठन भीतर एवं बाहर में देखिला एक्सट्रीमिज्म बा उग्र जातीयवाद हमें देखिबा पई पाइथिला सो द इंडियन नेशनलिज्म and its leaders Lal, Bal, Pal, Arvinda Ghosh, Subhash Chandra Bose, these people, they did not believe the moderate policy. These people, they wanted through revolt, we can achieve freedom. संग्राम द्वारा विद्रोह द्वारा we can achieve freedom बा हमें स्वाधीनता हासिल करिबा बोली समान विश्वास थिला एवं कांग्रेस रो नीति रे समान विश्वास करनथिले therefore a sort of extremism गोटे प्रकार उग्र जातीयवाद हमें देखा पाई and while this was happening as I have told you important events occurred during this time, that is the partition of Bengal, because in a chronological way we have to discuss this chronologically or serially you have to discuss all these things. As we have discussed, Bengal was partitioned for the convenience of administration. शासनगत दृष्टि शासनगत सुविधा ब्रिटिश सरकार बंग को विभाजन करने ये समय चाहिए जोटा कि भारतीय मान मध्य विशेष भाव में प्रतिक्रिया सृष्टि करथिला कारण आम जानिछुं यही समय it was up to this time Bengal, Bihar and Odisha remained in one place. So it was very difficult to administer such a big province. एते बड़ा गोटे प्रदेश को गोटे स्थान रो शासन करबा असंभव थिला ब्रिटिश सरकार तेणु शासनगत सुविधा दृष्टि से माने बंग प्रदेश को विभाग करने विभाजन करने चाहिए बिकॉज द पॉपुलेशन वाज सो दैट यार जनसंख्या हेती गोटे दीटा इंग्लैंड रो जनसंख्या जहाँ हे बंग बिहार ओडिशार जनसंख्या ताहा थिला तेणु शासनगत सुविधा दृष्टि ब्रिटिश सरकार या विभाजन करने चाहिए. Second thing is that also we have discussed that through divide and rule, the British government they wanted through विभेद द्वारा बा विभेद नीति द्वारा से शासन करने हिंदू और मुसलमान मध्य विभेद सृष्टि कर शासन करने चाहिए. Their only intention was to create communal feeling among the Indians and the Muslims. और तार फायदा उठेगा से चाहते. That was the only thing they for which they divided Bengal province. एवं 1905 मसीह जिते बंग प्रदेश को विभाजन करागला विशेषकर बंग रो एलिट क्लास शिक्षित संप्रदाय का विशेष भाव में प्रतिक्रिया सृष्टि करती. And it was also decided by the government, British government, to hold elections भारत में निर्वाचन करने स्थिर करते निर्वाचन हुए ताहले हिंदू मान संख्या बेसी हिंदू माने बेसी भोट पाइबे बेसी प्रतिनिधि पठेबे और मुस्लिम मान संख्या कम से कम भोट पाइबे तेणु ये गोटे चिंताधारा मुस्लिम मान मध्य प्रवेश कर दिगला इंजेक्ट कर दिगला से गोटे संगठन गोटे सर्वभारतीय गोटे ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग सर्वभारतीय मुस्लिम संगठन करने ब्रिटिश सरकार से सम्मति प्रकाश करते जहाँफल 1906 मसीह सर्वभारतीय मुस्लिम संगठन ऑल इंडिया मुस्लिम लीग गठित होता महामान्य आगा खां नेतृत्व में सभापतित्व मुस्लिम संगठन निर्माण करा एंड ब्रिटिश सरकार को जना नाथिला जे विरोध विद्रोह गोटे विराट आकार धारण कर बंग विभाजन पर भारतीय मान मध्य गोटे बड़ अशांति सृष्टि है प्रतिक्रिया सृष्टि है तेणु से ब्रिटिश सरकार को विरोध रे गोटे आउ गोटे आंदोलन आरंभ करने स्थिर कले कांग्रेस नेतृत्व में सो another movement that is a series of movements were occurred. A series of movements were occurred till independence. That is, we have already discussed some of the movements, some of the revolt. So, the another one is Swadeshi movement. Swadeshi movement by Swadeshi आंदोलन एवं यार मुख्य उद्देश्य थिला to boycott the British products. इंग्लैंड जहाँ भी सब जिनस गुड़ाक आउला उत्पादित जिनस गुड़ाक आउला वर्जन करने निष्पत्ति निगला उड़े देवाई निष्पत्ति निगला एवं स्वदेश निर्मित भारत जो जिनस गुड़ाक या व्यवहार करने निष्पत्ति कला एंड थ्रू आउट इंडिया the movement spread to entire India सब प्रांत के ओडिशा रे मध्य प्रभाव पड़ता स्वदेशी आंदोलन ओडिशा रे मध्य लोक माने बॉयकॉट करथिले एंड उसी परवर्ती समय ब्रिटिश सरकार भारतीय मान विद्रोह को देखिक रिपिल करने प्रचेषा करते 1911 मसीहा 1905 मसीह आम राजा पंचम जब भारत को आसी दिल्ली को से गोटे घोषणा करते उठे देवाई जहाँफल 1911 मसीह रद्द कर दिखाई तो इट वाज द पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल और बंग विभाजन यहाँ हूँ आम इंडियन नेशनल मूवमेंट रे गोटे मुख्य इवेंट मुख्य घटना सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम दिस टॉपिक इज देयर एनी डाउट व्हाट आई हैव टॉट यू हेलो हेलो
No, sir.
yes you have understood everything
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir. No doubt.
hello
Yes, sir. Yes,
then
sir. It
very
is
good
clearly understood, sir.
then you have seen besides this you have also seen um, the emergence of Mahatma Gandhi during this time it is also one of the important period the emergence of Mahatma Gandhi in the platform of freedom struggle also constitute an important period but prior to that you have seen Mahatma Gandhi he had struggled in South Africa रे से कला लोक मान संघर्ष करते एंड न्याय पाइबापी बहुत संघर्ष करने को पड़ता एवं से मुख्य प्रिंसिपल थिला सत्याग्रह अहिंसा एवं ट्रुथ तीन टा नॉन वायलेंस एंड ट्रुथ सत्याग्रह एवं अहिंसा ये दुईटा मुख्य अस्त्र थिला बाय दिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट ही अचीव्ड हिज गोल लक्ष्य स्थल में दुईटा जिन से पहुंची पाई आम गोटे जिन जाचु साउथ आफ्रिका समय महात्मा गांधी वी हैव सीन ही वाज टर्चर्ड माने स्टैंड जाते टर्चर कराला जो जगह को जाते इंग्रेज माने टर्चर करते 1906 मसीह से दक्षिण आफ्रिका प्रिटोरिया ठारे गोटे सभार आयोजन कराइला से सभा कौन होता आगु सरकार कहते ब्रिटिश सरकार प्रत्येक भारतीय माने गोटे गोटे रेजिस्ट्रेशन कार्ड रखिए पंजीकरण कार्ड एवं जिते बेले भी कौन सी ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर वेरिफिकेशन पाई जिवे ताको उपस्थापन करिबा देखैबे एवं जे देखै परिबो नै ताको सिवियर पनिशमेंट मिले एवं तार विरोध रे से प्रिटोरिया ठारे गोटे सभार आयोजन करथिले एंड दिस वाज द फर्स्ट मीटिंग ऑफ महात्मा गांधी एवं सेटा होचे महात्मा गांधी कर प्रथम व्हाट आई से मीटिंग एवं से सभा रे से ब्रिटिश सरकार को से आईन को निंदा करथिले एंड ही कॉल्ड इट एज ब्लैक एक्ट एवं कला आईन भाव रे विवेचना करथिले he was after that he was imprisoned तांको जेल रखा हैतिला एवं तापरे जहाँ भी हो परवर्ती समय रे से सफलता हासिल करथिले कला लोक मान पई एवं जो समय से भारत को आसिले तांको सही प्रिंसिपल बा सही एडा भारत रे उपस्थापन कले that is the non violence and truth this is the only instrument which he used अहिंसा एवं सत्य दुटा जिनिस and we have seen महात्मा गांधी जो समय भारत को आसिले साउथ आफ्रिका रु इट वाज ए इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम कारण प्रथम विश्व युद्ध आरंभ होइतिला इंग्लैंड एवं मित्र शक्ति शत्रु पक्ष मध्य रे एवं ब्रिटिश सरकार भारतीय मानकर बिना कंसेंट रे भारतीय नेता मानकर बिना कंसेंट बा सम्मति नहीं करी घोषणा करथिले भारतीय मान मध्य विश्व युद्ध रे योगदान करथिले जहा को नै कि भारतीय मान के मध्य रे गंभीर भाव रे असंतोष प्रकाश हेतिला द इंडियंस वेयर severely discontent dissatisfied by this act of British government तेणु से जहाँ भी हो विश्व युद्ध रे भारतीय मान सब प्रकार साहाय्य देथिले महात्मा गांधी उपदेश रे इंग्रेज मान को सब प्रकार साहाय्य दिया फाइनेंशियली मिलिटरी इन एवरी फील्ड एवं विश्व युद्ध पर भारतीय मान को एज वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस शासन क्षेत्र में गोटे सुविधा देवे ये विचार थिला किंतु विश्व युद्ध पर इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग फैसिलिटीज भारतीय मान को सुविधा देवा परिवर्ते गोटे ब्रिटिश सरकार गोटे दमनमूलक नीति अवलंबन करथिले एवं गोटे नवा आईन टे प्रस्तुत कराइला दैट इज कॉल्ड इंडिया डिफेंस एक्ट भारतीय रक्षा भारत रक्षा आईन एवं से आईन बल रे जे कोनसी भारतीय मान को बिना कारण रे बंदी करा हला या सहित ब्रिटिश सरकार आ गोटे मध्ये जिनस चिंता करथिले जे भारतीय मान को किछि मिनिमम सुविधा दिया जो आवश्यक तेणु से दृष्टि मल्ले मिंटो रिफॉर्म्स लोक मान को पई ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट गोटे आईन प्रचलन होता बिलात सचिव मरले एवं भारत रे थिले जो हमर वाइसराय भारत सचिव मिंटो एमनकर सम्मति रे गोटे आईन प्रचलन होला मल्ले मिंटो रिफॉर्म एवं से रिफॉर्म रे भारतीय मान कुछ सुविधा देवा पई निष्पत्ति हेतु तो व्हाइल दिस वाज हैपनिंग एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू ब्रिटिश सरकार जेतु रिप्रेसिव मेजर गोटे दमनमूलक नीति अवलंबन कले महात्मा गांधी ब्रिटिश सरकार को विश्वास ही कले नहीं विश्वास टूटी गला therefore he decided to start non cooperation movement एवं जहाँ फल से निष्पत्ति नहीं थिले भारतीय जातीय कांग्रेस रो बॉम्बे अहमदाबाद सेशन रे से निष्पत्ति नहीं थिले जे कांग्रेस इंग्रेज मान को असहयोग बा नॉन कोऑपरेट करी एवं फल 1920 मसीह रे असहयोग आंदोलन आरंभ होइतिला अर्थात सब क्षेत्र रे इंग्रेज मान को असहयोग करवा एवं फाइल दिस वाज हैपनिंग एज यू हैव नो पंजाब रो अमृतसर रे हमर जालियानावाला मैसाकर बा जालियानावाला गोटे हत्याकांड गोटे अनुष्ठित हेतिला एवं ये हत्याकांड रे बहुत भारतीय मान मृत्युवरण करथिले अर्थात ये हत्याकांड एक्चुअली मुख्य घटना हला जो दिन ये गोटे भारतीय मान गोटे सभा हेबार थिला पंजाब रो अमृतसर शहर रो जालियानावाला बाग ठारे एवं सेठारे माने सरकार आगुरी मना कर देथिले कौन प्रकार सभा समिति हो पारिबो नै किंतु से खबरटा भारतीय मान पाख को पहुंची पारि नथिला एवं से माने सेठारे उपस्थित रहिले एवं जनरल राय सेटा को पहुंची फायरिंग स्टार्ट करते जहाँ पर कि बहुत लोग सेठारे मृत्युवरण करथिले ଏବଂ ଏହି ଘଟଣା ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀଙ୍କୁ ବିଶେଷ ଭାବରେ ଦୁଃଖିତ କରିଥିଲା ଏବଂ ସେ ଅସହଯୋଗ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି ନେଇଥିଲେ। While this was ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅସହଯୋଗ ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ ଚାଲିଥିଲା, ଚୌରୀ ଚୋରା ଆମ ଉତ୍ତରପ୍ରଦେଶର ଚୌରୀ ଚୋରା ଠାରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ ପୋଡେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲେ। ନମ୍ବର ଅଫ ପୋଲିସ ୱେର ବର୍ଣ୍ଟ, ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନ ୱେର ବର୍ନ ଡାଉନ, ପୋଲିସ ମାନେ ମୃତ୍ୟୁବରଣ କରିଥିଲେ। ତେଣୁ ଏହାର ଦେଖି ମହାତ୍ମା ଗାନ୍ଧୀ କିଛି ସମୟ ପାଇଁ ଅସହଯୋଗ ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନକୁ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେବା ପାଇଁ ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି ନେଇଥିଲେ, କାରଣ ଲୋକମାନେ ଅହିଂସା କ'ଣ ବୁଝିପାରିନଥିଲେ ବୋଲି ସେ ଭାବିଥିଲେ। Then it was during this time we have also seen ଆମେ ଦେଖିଥିଲା ଖିଲାଫତ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ, ମୁସଲିମ ମାନଙ୍କର ଖିଲାଫତ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇଥିଲା। ବିକଜ ଦି ମୁସଲିମ୍ସ ଅଫ ଟର୍କି ବିଶ୍ୱଯୁଦ୍ଧରେ ଆମର ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ସରକାର ତୁର୍କୀ ବିରୋଧରେ ବିଶ୍ୱଯୁଦ୍ଧ ପରେ ଗୋଟେ କଠୋର ପଦକ୍ଷେପ ନେଇଥିଲେ, କାରଣ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ସରକାର ତୁର୍କୀ ସରକାର ଜର୍ମାନୀ ସପକ୍ଷରେ ଯୋଗଦାନ କରିଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ତୁର୍କୀ କ'ଣ ହଉଥିଲା ନା ଆମର ଯୋଉ ଖଲିଫା ଥିଲେ ମୁସଲିମ ଜଗତର ସେ ସର୍ବଶ୍ରେଷ୍ଠ ଥିଲେ। ତେଣୁ ତୁର୍କୀକୁ ଖଣ୍ଡ ବିଖଣ୍ଡ କରି ଦିଆଗଲା, ଯୋଉଟାକି ମୁସଲିମ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଗଭୀର ଭାବରେ ଦୁଃଖ ଦେଇଥିଲା। ଇନ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ଭାରତରେ ମୁସଲିମ ମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ କରିଥିଲେ। ତ এই ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ ଖିଲାଫତ ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ ଏବଂ ଅସହଯୋଗ ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ ମିଶିଯିବାରୁ ଏହା ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଶକ୍ତିଶାଳୀ ହେଇପାରିଥିଲା। So this is another movement, that is Khilafat movement, and one another movement that is we have seen after this non-cooperation movement, that is for some times यापर महात्मा गांधी किसी समय धरी आंदोलन बंद करते एवं विभिन्न प्रकार संस्कारमूलक कार्य निवेश करते, अर्थात संस्कार किपरि समाज किपरि अंधविश्वास कुसंस्कार दूर हम से विभिन्न स्थान बुली परिदर्शन कर लोक मान बुझे। तेणु ये परिस्थिति रे महात्मा गांधी मुख्य भूमिका ग्रहण करते परवर्ती आमर आंदोलन थिला आईन अमान्य आंदोलन। या विषय भी विशेष भाव में आमर आलोचना करने की आवश्यक ना, किंतु आम जाचु जे आईन अमान्य आंदोलन दीर्घ 24 दिन धरी महात्मा गांधी गोटे आंदोलन करथिले एवं साबरमती आश्रम रु समुद्र पर्यंत दांडी नामक एक स्थान समुद्र पर्यंत से स्थान को से गोटे यात्रा करथिले एवं ब्रिटिश सरकार लवण आईन भंग कर ए आईन टा नॉट ओनली इन गुजरात खाली गुजरात रही नथिला, एटा अन्य जगह मध्य या प्रसार लाभ करथिला। इन ओडिशा आल्सो वी हैव सीन सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट स्टार्टेड। ओडिशा रे मध्य असहयोग आंदोलन हमर जोन थिले मालती देवी, आचार्य हरिहर, रमा देवी ए समान समस्त नेतृत्व रे हमर हेतिला एवं बालेश्वर जिल्लार इंचुडी ठारे ए प्लेस कॉल इंचुडी, बालेश्वर जिल्लार इंचुडी ठारे ए असहयोग आंदोलन माने महात्मा गांधी करथिले ब्रिटिश सरकार लवण आईन भंग करी। सो दिस इज अबाउट नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट, सिविल स्वदेशी मूवमेंट एंड non cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, and another the last one is Quit India movement, Bharat Chhad Andolan, and this was the last movement. एवं we have seen जेहेतु सरकार कौन सी जिते भी आंदोलन जिते भी जहाँ कले कौन सी दृष्टिपात कले नहीं, परवर्ती समय ब्रिटिश सरकार भारतीय माने इंग्रेज मान को संपूर्ण भाव में भारत तोड़ी देवाई जो आंदोलन होता ताको भारत छोड़ आंदोलन बा क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट कह जाए, जहाँ 1942 मसीह आरंभ होता। आम देखीचु महात्मा गांधी को जेल जावाक पड़ा भारत छाड़ आंदोलन अन्य नेता मैंने जेल रे पड़ते, जवाहरलाल नेहरू अन्य बड़ बड़ नेता मैंने कांग्रेस नेता ने जेल रे रही। परवर्ती समय विभिन्न प्रकार चुक्ति होता, कॉन्फ्रेंस राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस इंग्लैंड रे हला एवं किसी मात्रा ब्रिटिश सरकार भारतीय मानकर आंदोलन द्वारा प्रभावित। सो एनीवे this is all about the Indian national movement, and next class we will discuss next topic, that is I will discuss about how India get independence. Anyway, is there any problem? Yes, regarding this topic, is there any problem?
Hello, sir.
Regarding this topic, Indian national movement, is there any problem?
Yes, sir. Sir,
No.
I have a question
Yeah.
that at first we have already discussed about all things, what the contribution of Mahatma Gandhi and different
Yes.
type of different types of movements till the Quit India movement in 1942. And at that time, Gandhiji gave a slogan.
Hmm.
Gandhiji gave a slogan
Hmm.
in Bombay
Hmm.
that do or die.
Do or die. Very good.
Sir, it is a very simple question, but in my mind it is running that why at last the Gandhiji, who is the
This slogan.
main who is the main administrator of what is called non-violence and truth, which a strong belief on non-violence.
Very good.
Still, at last, why they give a slogan that do or die? Why at that time when non-cooperation movement was started and at the incident of Chauri Chaura in Uttar Pradesh, when they stopped the after the incident of Chauri Chaura in 1922, when Gandhiji decided to stop the non-cooperation movement,
Hmm.
but all the leaders of Indian National Congress opposed it.
Hmm.
When they everyone is opposed, and they told that this will be continue and India will got the independence.
Hmm.
But when at that time Gandhiji stopped non-cooperation movement from after the Chauri Chaura incident because he don't allow the violence.
Hmm.
But at
He
last,
believed in
why
violence.
he
He believed
told
in
that
non-violence.
yes, he believe in non-violence, but at last, why he told that do or die, and at
Let
that
me tell
time,
you.
why he can't accept the idea of Subhash Chandra Bose, who tell that give me blood, I will give you the freedom. Why he can't believe on that, and why
You
he
see,
can't accept, because Indians are greater in number and Britishers are very few in number. Why they can accept the medium of violence by which all the Indians may fight at a time with the Britishers, by which they will be defeated.
you see that as Mahatma Gandhi, he was a believer of peace, non-violence, is not it? And as he did not get any help, any support from British government, finally, he did not get any result from non-cooperation movement or civil disobedience movement or you say Khilafat movement or Swadeshi movement. He finally decided do or die, କର ଅବା ମର, ମାନେ ନୀତି ଯୋଉଟା, ଏବଂ ସେଇଟା ବାଧ୍ୟ ହୋଇ ସେ ଏଇଟା କଲେ ଏବଂ ସେ ଡୁ ଅର୍ ଡାଏ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପଲ ଫଲୋ କରି ସେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତାକୁ ହାସଲ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହିଁଥିଲେ. ଦିଟ୍ ଇଜ ଦି ମେନ୍ ଥିଙ୍ଗ ବିକଜ he did not believe the British government henceforward. ଗୁଡ଼ାଏ ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ କରିଥିଲେ, ନନ୍ କର୍ପୋରେସନ୍ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ, ସିଭିଲ ଡିସୋବିଡିଏନ୍ସ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ, ଖିଲାଫ ଆମର କୁଇଟ୍ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ମୁଭମେଣ୍ଟ. ସେ ଦେଖିଲେ ଯେ କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ସରକାରଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ ଆସୁ. So finally he decided do or die. କର ଅବା ଆମର, ଯେକୌଣସି ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ହାସଲ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ମନ୍ତ୍ର ଦେଇଥିଲେ. Is not it? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is
Sir,
the main.
sir, sir.
Another thing is that you see there is a difference of opinion among the Indian Congress leaders. In the meantime, many years has passed after the formation of the Indian National Congress. Is not it? Congress, भारतीय जातीय कांग्रेस प्रतिष्ठा हेबार गुड़ाए वर्ष बीती जाइतिला.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
किंतु तापरे कांग्रेस रो नेता मानक मध्य हमर डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन बा मतांतर होउतला. उनकर मतरे भिन्नता रहउतला. तो महात्मा गांधी को मध्य समस्त विरोध करुले. इज नॉट इट? विरोध करुले. तार फल कि एटा सब होउतला हला. हेलो.
Sir, ସେମିତି ହୋଇଥିଲେ ତ ଆମର 1923 ରୁ we got the freedom. Why we wait till the 1942? Why he at that time he can't accept the idea of Subhash Chandra Bose?
That is actually, you see, it is a movement. It is not a. It will take a long time. The movement. It is not. Definitely, it will take a long time, and it is not by Mahatma Gandhi's heart will say and everything will be done. There are leaders. He has to also accept their views, isn't it? Mahatma Gandhi, he has to also accept their views. So there is a sort of understanding between. He has to keep understanding between all these leaders. ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ବୁଝାଣ ମାନେ ବୁଝାମଣା ରଖିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ନା ଆଉ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ଇଏରେ ତ କରିପାରିବେନି ହେଲା hello
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
or any problem, any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
Proceed,
Then
sir.
you see, after quit India movement, we have seen there is the complete Swaraj, ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ସ୍ୱରାଜ ଯୋଉଟା 1930 ମସିହାରେ ହେଇଥିଲା 1930 ମସିହାରେ ଯୋଉଟା ଆମର ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ସ୍ୱରାଜ ହେଇଥିଲା କି ନାହିଁ
Purna Swaraj.
ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ସ୍ୱରାଜ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେନ୍ସ ଯୋଉଟା କୁହାଯାଏ ଇଂରାଜୀରେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ଇଣ୍ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେନ୍ସ 1930 ମସିହାରେ ପାକିସ୍ତାନର ଆମର ଯୋଉ ଥିଲା ଲାହୋର ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ଅଧିବେଶନ ବସିଥିଲା ଏବଂ ସେଠାରେ ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି ହେଇଥିଲା ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ସ୍ୱରାଜ ପାଇଁ ବା ସ୍ୱାଧୀନତା ପାଇଁ ସଂଗ୍ରାମ କରିବେ ନାଇଁ ଆଉ ସେଠି ଜବାହରଲାଲ ନେହେରୁଙ୍କ ନେତୃତ୍ୱରେ এই ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତିଟା ନିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ସ୍ୱରାଜ ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଦରକାର ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ସମୟରେ ଭାରତ ଛାଡ଼ ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଇଥିଲା ଏବଂ ଭାରତ ଛାଡ଼ ଆନ୍ଦୋଳନ ପରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିଛୁ ଯେ ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ସରକାର एक्चुअली हृदयंगम कले भारतीय मान को शासन हस्तांतर करवा उचित एवं केमिति करिवे किपरि करिवे सेति पई विभिन्न प्रकार कमिशन कमिटी बसा हितला इज नॉट इट इंग्लैंड ने मध्य गुडाए हमर राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस हितला तीन प्रथम राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस द्वितीय राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस हितला इंग्लैंड रे महात्मा गांधी से प्रथम राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस कौन कथा रहा ना तेणु से विफल होता द्वितीय राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस ब्रिटिश डिसाइड कले भारतीय मान को किसी स्वाधीनता हस्तांतर करने पदक्षेप मिले जहाँ फल आम देखीज विभिन्न प्रकार आमर प्रथम आसते आमर कौन कि साइमन साइमन कमिशन आसते नहीं हेलो
Yes, sir.
विभिन्न प्रकार कमिशन पठाई जिते आमर इंग्लैंड प्रधानमंत्री थे अटली ये भारत को पठाई कमिशन भारत को किपरि भाव में स्वाधीनता हस्तांतर करा विभिन्न प्रकार आयोग मन आसते गोटे 1940 मसीह आम जो आसते कौन कमिशन कैबिनेट मिशन है कैबिनेट मिशन आसते तार 3 जन सदस्य थे से भारत को किपरि भाव में स्वाधीनता दिज्व क्यों क्यों किपरि भाव में भारत गोटे शासन विधायक सभा बा कन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली प्रतिष्ठा कर आलोकपात कर मैंने अनुध्यान करने परवर्ती समय माउंट बेटेन योजना प्रस्तुत करते क्यों क्यों अंचल अंचल को लेकर भारत विभाजन होगा निश्चित हो पड़ा एवं के कौ अंचल को लेकर भारत सृष्टि हे तैयारी हे के अंचल को लेकर पाकिस्तान सृष्टि हे योजना प्रस्तुत करते एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड माउंट बेटन प्लान एवं इट वाज फाइनली आम देखी कैबिनेट मिशन जो आसते रेकमेंडेशन भारत में गोटे कन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली स्थापित होता शासन विधायक सभा एवं सेटा गोटे अस्थायी भाव में तैयार कराइला शासन विधायक किंतु परवर्ती समय गोटे परमानेंट कन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली तैयार करा माउंट बेटेन योजना रे से कहले से पंजाब और आसाम को भाग करने माने उपस्थापन जुक्ति उपस्थापन कर पंजाब रो गोटे पोर्शन हूँ मुस्लिम एरिया आ गोटे पोर्शन हूँ हिंदू एरिया ठीक से आसाम रो गोटे पोर्शन हूँ पूर्व पूर्व आसाम हूँ आम हिंदू बहुल एरिया एवं पश्चिम आसाम हूँ सॉरी पूर्व पूर्व आसाम हूँ मुसलमान बहुल एरिया एवं पश्चिम आसाम हूँ आमर मुसलमान बहुल एरिया सिमिलरली पंजाब रो गोटे पोर्शन आमर मुस्लिम माने रोचन पूर्व ईस्ट पंजाब तो से सब एरिया के नेगरी से पाकिस्तान गठन करवा लगी एवं सिंध प्रदेश ये तीनटा जगह के नेगरी पाकिस्तान गठन पाई से जुक्ति उपस्थापन करथिले एवं बाकी आउ गोटे जिनस बाकी बाकी जो अंचल रे हिंदू मानकर संख्या बेसी थिला से सब अंचल रे भारत प्रतिष्ठा करने पाई से जुक्ति उपस्थापन करथिले एंड फाइनली 1947 मसीहा अगस्त 1947 मसीहा जुलाई 14 तारीख रे ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट गोटे आईन गोटे एक्ट पालन होता एवं से आईन अनुसार 1947 मसीहा अगस्त 15 तारीख रे भारत को स्वाधीनता देवाई ब्रिटिश सरकार राजी होते एवं भारत एवं पाकिस्तान नाम दुईटी स्वतंत्र राष्ट्र गठन कर आईन रे दर्शा जाइतिला एवं उभय राष्ट्र गोटे कन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली शासन विधायक सभा रहिबो एवं स्वाधीनता पाइबा पर्यंत जड़े भाइसरय सॉरी गवर्नर जनरल दायित्व रे रहिबो चारटा जिनिस मेंशन होइतिला एवं फाइनली इट वाज इन 1947 अगस्त 15 इंडिया गॉट इंडिपेंडेंस एवं 1947 मसीहा अगस्त 15 तारीख रे भारत स्वाधीनता हासिल करथिला एमिस्ट मेनी अप्स एंड डाउन्स विभिन्न उत्थान एवं पतन मध्य भारत स्वाधीनता हासिल करथिला यस ओके इज इट क्लियर हेलो
Yes, sir.
then
Yes, sir. It is clear, sir.
any other doubt
No, sir. No, sir.
then there are some questions from this topic. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
You write down the questions which comes in the examination. That is, you write. You write down what are the factors what are the factors what are the factors that created what are the factors that created resentment or dissatisfaction? What are the factors that created resentment or dissatisfaction among the Indians against British administration? Against British administration. What are the factors that created resentment or dissatisfaction among Indians against British administration? Then again another question is what is nationalism? Another question is what is nationalism? What is nationalism? And question mark. What are the factors responsible? What are the factors responsible? What are the factors responsible for nationalism? What are the factors responsible for nationalism? And another question you write down. Discuss the rule of intellectuals. Discuss the rule of intellectuals. Rule of intellectuals on the emergence of Indian nationalism. Discuss the role of intellectuals in the emergence of Indian nationalism. Another one thing you write down. Another question, that is causes of failure of 1857 revolt. Causes of failure of 1857 revolt and its consequence. So there are so these are some questions you can read and prepare. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have write down this or not?
Yes, sir.
There are 4 questions, or you may also see another questions also. And regarding, as I have told, sir, I have already told regarding assignment. You have already submitted the assignment.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
Hello.
yes, sir.
Then it is okay. Any doubts? Any other doubt regarding this topic?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Actually, a lack of materials. You see,
Sir.
I have some limited materials, therefore I am facing a lot of little bit problems to teach you. But anyway, I will manage it. You see, can you tell me what are the causes of the failure of this revolt, 1857 revolt? Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Can you tell me what are
Hello.
the reasons? What are the causes of the 1857 revolt failure? Why did the 1857 revolt failure? Can you tell me?
Sir, sir,
1857 ମସିହାରେ ବିଦ୍ରୋହ କାହିଁକି ବିଫଳ ହୋଇଥିଲା?
sir, it was not a organized way. This revolt was happened. This is the dissatisfaction towards the rule of British government and exploitation of British government. But I think the major point is it was not well organized manner, and it was there is no uniqueness in this revolt, and so that it can be go ahead successfully.
This is the only reason, or there are other reasons?
There are also other reasons, but I think it was the main reason why it was failure.
Actually, the revolt had a number of reasons for which it was not a successful war. Is not it?
Another thing it may be that the equipment, to revolt against it, the equipment was not too much technical. The military equipment of this rebel was inferior than the Britishers.
British weapons.
Yes, sir.
Actually, the Indians, they were not having up-to-date weapons. They had
Yes,
primitive weapons, so to say.
Yes, sir.
And
Their bow and arrows, which is has no impact on the Britishers. Then another
on the
thing
other
is
hand,
that
the British, they had, on the other hand, the British soldiers, they had modern weapons. They had up-to-date weapons.
yes,
Tanks, bombs, etc.
guns. Next, sir, another thing is the leadership with the
Lack of leadership.
Lack of leadership. They are not efficient. They are not too much knowledge about how to
Conduct the rebellion, how to. Very good.
Sir, another. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. You may
continue,
share
continue.
more things. You may
Very good,
share
very good.
more things, sir.
You have known.
Sir, you know too much than me. So you
You
may
have
share
known.
more things.
Thus we are discussing. First thing is that this revolt, it was not an organized one. अर्थात यह विप्लव एक सुसंगठित विप्लव वा विद्रोह नथिला विद्रोही माने विप्लवी माने इंग्रेज मानकु बा विद्रोही माने इंग्रेज मानकु विद्रोह पर तळी देबाकू चाहुथिले किंतु विद्रोह पर देशर अवस्था कोन हबो भविष्य कोन हबो सेमानकु जणा नथिला इज नॉट इट
Yes, sir.
सेकेंडली द्वितीय रे काना हितला लैक ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन जोगाजोगर अभाव गुटे रहउतला इज नॉट इट लैक ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन जोगाजोगर अभाव को जगह रे कोन होची विद्रोही माने जानि पारले नाही देयरफॉर दे डिड नॉट गेट हेल्प इज नॉट इट को जगह रे कोन होची जेतु से माने माने खबर पाई पारले नाही तेनो सहाय्य पहुंची पारला नाही इज नॉट इट सो द रिवोल्ट बिकेम ए फेल्योर वन जहाँ फल कि विद्रोहटा विफल होइतिला another thing is that as I have told you lack of leadership अच्छा नेतृत्वर अभाव मध्य गोटे मुख्य कारण थिला विद्रोह विफल होगा पई गोटे माने नेतृत्वर अभाव मुख्य कारण थिला विद्रोह को नेतृत्व देवा पई माने सेपरि सफल व्यक्तित्व नथिला जो माने भी थिले सेमानकर बयस होइतिला नाना साहेब तांतिया टोपे से बयस होइतिला तेणु से विद्रोह के नेतृत्व देवा लगे असमर्थ थे किंतु सेमानक मध्य रानी लक्ष्मीबाई झांसी रानी लक्ष्मीबाई जन सफल नेत्री थी एवं अकॉर्डिंग टू एन इंग्लिश हिस्टोरियन जन इंग्लिश ऐतिहासिक मान मत शी वाज द एबलेस्ट लेडी among the rebels विद्रोही मान मध्य से जन सफल नारी नेत्री थी किंतु जन नेत्री हिसाब से जहाँ भी से जन महिला थिले से केते केते समय पर्यंत बा केते वर्ष पर्यंत नेतृत्व ने तांकर मध्य दुर्बल हो पड़ते से एवं तांकर मृत्यु रे विद्रोह विफल तापर आ कोन थिला जहा कहउतला हम लेक ऑफ वेपन्स अस्त्र शस्त्र रो अभाव भारतीय मानकर पक्षरे अस्त्र शस्त्र भारतीय मान सिपाही मान को माने नूतन धरणर आधुनिक अस्त्र शस्त्र समान हाथ में नथि अपरंतु तांको हाथ में बा इंग्रेज मान हाथ में आधुनिक धरणर अस्त्र शस्त्र गच्छित थे जेहेतु एम हाथ में से पुराणा काली अस्त्र शस्त्र थिला से अस्त्र शस्त्र जला करवाटा असंभव थिला तो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट कॉज आ गोटे मुख्य कारण है विद्रोही मान मध्य माने सेनापति जेनता इंग्रेज मान सपक्ष समर विशारद माने वार स्पेशलिस्ट इंग्रेज मान सपक्ष समर विशारद वार स्पेशलिस्ट माने निकलसन आउटराम एम समस्ते समर विशारद थे विद्रोह को किपरि विद्रोही मान किपरि दमन करा ठीक भाव में जानी आ गोटे जिन जानी जदि से पराजय वरण कर भविष्य अंधकार हो तो से प्राणपणे युद्ध कर ऑन दी अदर एंड अपरंतु भारतीय सैनिक मान मध्य सफल सेनापति नथिले विद्रोह को माने दिग्दर्शन देवाई नेतृत्व नापी तो ये सब कारण पाई विद्रोह विफल होता इज नॉट इट हेलो हेलो
Yes, sir.
so these are some of the factors or causes for which the 1857 revolt became a failure war जो 1857 मसीह विद्रोह विफल होता एक क्वेश्चन कम्स फ्रॉम दिस गोटे क्वेश्चन टे आसे देन यार कॉन्सिक्वेंस कौन थिला म आगुरो हम डिस्कशन करथिला यार फलाफल कॉन्सिक्वेंस Can you tell me about its consequence? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You tell me about the consequence of this revolt.
Sir, I think Government of India Act, which is passed in 1858, it was come due to the this great revolt, and yes, sir.
Government of India, very good.
1858, sir.
Actually, the one of the important significance विद्रोहर मुख्य फल है आम तो काली आलोचना करथिला गोटे जो शासन जो गोटे परिवर्तन है अर्थात विद्रोह जना पड़ा जे भारतीय माने प्रचुर मात्रा रे ब्रिटिश शासन प्रति असंतोष थे विशेषकर भारतीय सिपाही माने जो भाई भाव असंतोष प्रकाश करते प्रमाणित है भारतीय माने ब्रिटिश शासन प्रति असंतोष थे ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट गोटे आईन टे से आईन बल ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी हाथ शासन भार काढ़ी नहीं इंग्लैंड राजा व रानी को हस्तांतर क्षमता
company to crown. Yes, you have already told. Yes,
very good. Company to crown. So henceforward, India would be governed in the name of British Queen or Emperor. Right? Raja व रानी का नाम
department for Government of India representative also there in British Parliament.
Very good. And भारत रे शासन करबा पई गोटे भाइसरॉय बा गोटे राजा कर प्रतिनिधि ऊपर भाइसरॉय प्रतिनिधि हिसाब रे जेतु से आसीबे
गवर्नर जनरल यस सर
तांको भाइसरॉय कहवा राजा कर प्रतिनिधि हिसाब से आसिले ना सेति पई तांको भाइसरॉय कहवा सो
यस
एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू दिस इज वेरी इंपोर्टेंट इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया कारण गोटे टर्निंग पॉइंट आसीगला या पर सिपाही विद्रोह पर गोटे टर्निंग पॉइंट आसीगला एवं from this time, from 1857, that is in the 19th century, national consciousness and nationalism started to grow. है जातीयतार विकास आरंभ होता है जार फल कि आम भारतीय स्वतंत्र कारण के जातीय कांग्रेस मुख्य भूमिका ग्रहण करती है एनी अदर डाउट यू टेल मी
No, sir. There is no doubt regarding this, sir. But
yes, second unit we have also about to clear, and then we'll start tomorrow third unit, and rest you have to study. Otherwise, we'll guide you, isn't it? We'll guide you,
Yes,
but
sir.
you have to study the entire materials. And regarding materials, as I have told you, um, uh, only you have this IGNOU study material. You are comparing. You have also other study materials, or only IGNOU study materials?
IGNOU, sir. I have one IGNOU and
Uh,
also one or two books.
from other books.
Yes, sir. Other publication.
Authors. Can you tell me the authors?
S. Chand publication. I have a book from S. Chand publication
Who is
and
the author?
NCRT.
And here.
NCRT book of previous classes I have also followed. To actually the words of the IGNOU material and the sentence construction is not too easy to understand or simple to
Very
understand.
exactly. It is
The meaning of the actual sentence is another. If you studied it in a deep manner, and if you study a passage at a time, you can
you have to
at
write
first.
it. You have to understand it and write it. As already Sir has told you, you have to understood it and write it. We are only here to guide you. Is not it?
Yes, sir.
Then one
Hello.
more question.
Yes,
I will
sir.
ask you one question.
Sir.
What is do you know what is drain of well? Drain of well.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me about this? Can you explain it?
Sir, drain of wealth means the wealth of Indian society is generally drained to Britishers, and
Actually, who is the founder of this theory?
it is
Drain of well. You have read in +3, I think.
Sir, Dadabhai Naroji.
Hmm?
Dadabhai Naroji.
Very good, very good. So you tell me, you explain me.
yes, yes. R.C. Datta and Dadabhai Naroji are cited. Poverty and un-British rule in India, I think in this book he described it.
Actually, this is a book on economic exploitation. How the Britishers exploited us. How the white people exploited us economically. That is about the drain of wealth. They took away our raw materials. They took away money from India, gold and everything, and brought to India and sold it in a higher price. Is not it? इंग्रेज माने भारत रु कंचामाल इंग्लैंड के नहीं गले सेठी तैयार हला जिनस गुड़ा तैयार हला एवं भारत रे आसला पर सेटा चढ़ा दर रे बिक्री एवं सेतिर जो टंका हला इंग्लैंड रो विकास में खर्च हला बट ऑन द आम भारत रो गाना लाभ ओनली पॉवर्टी वाज द फैक्ट नहीं दारिद्र्य हला भारतीय मानकर भाग्य दे लॉस्ट एवरीथिंग दे लॉस्ट देयर लाइवलीहुड दे लॉस्ट देयर वर्क से जीविका हराले से काम हराले बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एक्सप्लॉयटेशन नहीं तो जहाँ फल कि भारत को शोषण कले इकोनॉमिकली एवं इंग्लैंड आर्थिक विकास है भारत अर्थनैतिक दृष्टिकोण दुर्बल हो पड़ा लोक मैंने जीविका हराले एवं से टोटली भारत के माने शोषण कर इज नॉट इट Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is about drain of wealth. And poverty was the fate of the Indian people, nothing else. Because of this drain of wealth, Bharatiya लोक माने दारिद्रतार शिकार ही they lost everything. They lost their livelihood, they lost their work. आमर जो ग्राम्य शिल्प थिला ଲୋକମାନେ ଗାଁରେ ରହୁଥିଲେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ କାମ କରି କରି ରହୁଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଗୋଟେ ଯେଉଁ ପାରସ୍ପରିକତା ରହୁଥିଲା ସେମାନେ ହରାଲେ ଏବଂ ଏଇଟାର ଦ୍ୱାରା କାଣା ହେଲା ସହରରେ ମିଲ୍ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ୍ରି ମାନେ ସେ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା କଲେ ମିଲ୍ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ୍ରି ଲୋକମାନେ କାମ କରବାର ଲାଗି ଗଲେ ଆଉ ସେଠାରେ ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଅସ୍ୱାସ୍ଥ୍ୟକର ପରିବେଶରେ ରହିବାର ଲାଗି ପଡ଼ିଲା ବେମାରରେ ପଡ଼ିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ପିଲା ଛୁଆମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ବେମାରରେ ପଡ଼ିଲେ ଏବଂ କମ୍ ଟଙ୍କା ଦରମା ପାଇଲେ So in total, ମୋଟରେ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା ମୋଟରେ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଦେଖିବା the Britishers they exploited us ଆମକୁ ଅର୍ଥନୈତିକ ଦୃଷ୍ଟିକୋଣରୁ ଶୋଷଣ କରିଥିଲେ and they made us weak ଏବଂ ସେମାନେ ଆମକୁ ଦୁର୍ବଳ କରିଦେଲେ ଓକେ ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, if we
yes
yes, sir, the resources available in India, which are essential for the Indians, and Indians are the only owner of these resources.
they are
But the Britishers take it away from to their country and make it made it into different forms, and it will be more costly when it return to
and
India.
they sold it in India in higher price.
Higher price. It is
Higher price?
more costly. Yes, sir.
One thing it is clear, they wanted to make England economically strong. Is not it?
Yes, sir. They also give a few salary to the Indians when they worked
The
under
salary was
them.
not satisfactory. The salary they were paying to the Indians, it was not satisfactory. It was very low. Therefore,
Yes.
in the various time we have seen in connection with the salary also the workers or the employees they are agitated. ବିଭିନ୍ନ ସମୟରେ ଦରମାକୁ ନେଇକରି ମଧ୍ୟ କର୍ମଚାରୀମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଅସନ୍ତୋଷ ବ୍ୟାପିଥିଲା ଇଜ୍ ନଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଏବଂ ଯେହେତୁ ସେମାନେ କମ୍ ଦରମା ପାଉଥିଲେ ସେମାନେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର କରପସନ ଦୁର୍ନୀତି କରିବା ଲାଗି ବାଧ୍ୟ ହେଉଥିଲେ ହେ କି ନାହିଁ ଯଦି ଜଣେ ଯଦି କମ୍ ଦରମା ପାଇଲା କମ୍ ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇଲା ସେ କ'ଣ କରିବ ଚलो ତାର ପରିବାର କେମିତି ଚଳିବ ବୁଝିହେଲା ହ୍ୟାଲୋ
Yes, sir.
yes anything more you ask me
So in the second unit, there is a question. Discuss the economic context of some nationalist movements. How economy will be become a factor to raise the nationalist movement, and what are the key points we can describe it through this question.
Actually I have not gone through this topic and I will explain it tomorrow isn't it okay
Okay, sir. But I want to request you, sir, if we go through the unit wise, it was not factual. These units are not too much factual, but too much descriptive. And we have to understand these theories and the viewpoints of different historians. They give different views about the different theories and also different events. So we should just look a glance upon each unit, and we have tried to overcome the unit-wise doubts.
very good
Study material is also a problem, and I have not got my all study materials.
The problem is that you see I have also not got the materials. In spite of that I am trying to clarify your doubts.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, you have cleared all the national movements, national leaders about the national events, what are happened to get our national freedom and independence. But it is very, your discourse is very in a very chronological manner, and it was in very order. It was satisfactory, but our study material is not like this. It is designed in a very descriptive manner.
It's a different type material. I know this.
Sir. Yes, sir. But
you have to, there is no problem. Whether you write in your style,
Today,
that is not problem.
today I am trying to complete two blogs, but one I have not completed it, because if you are read once about one subunit, but you can't understand if you read it at a time at once, but you have to read 2 to 3 times, then you can go deep and understand the idea about this
Hmm.
paragraph.
Hmm.
They show
Like
too much
actually the
keywords
subject matter
also
is,
there.
let me tell you,
Yes, sir.
actually the subject matter, whether it is ignominious or traditional, the subject matter is the same, is not it? As you
Yes,
have,
sir.
as
Yes, sir. Indian nationalism go through the national movements.
subject matter is the same. There is no problem. So there is no problem. Whether you read the materials or you read the another other books, you write in your style. It is not a problem. Okay.
Okay,
Hello.
sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Proceed, sir. Proceed.
Then this is the second unit we have discussed. Eh? And in second unit there is one more topic, that is resistance to colonial in an intellectual and social spheres. One more topic, that is resistance to colonialism in intellectual and social spheres. This we'll discuss, but before discussing about this, do you know what is colonialism? Yes.
Sir, sir, hello.
Yes,
It is
your
not,
voice is audible.
sir. It is not found in second units. It may be second block, sir.
Second block, very second block. Second.
Uh, it is unit 7, sir. 7 unit,
Unit,
not unit 2, sir.
unit 7, unit 7.
Okay, sir.
So this unit we'll discuss tomorrow, but before discussing that, I want to ask you, do you know anything about colonialism? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Do you know anything about colonialism?
Colonialism means Britishers have make too many established colonies in different
Actually,
countries.
actually, you see, the Britishers or the Englishmen, they conquered different areas, different country. Is not it? They
Yes, sir.
conquered South Africa, they conquered India, they conquered Bangladesh. Is not it? So India was a colony of British. Is not it? India was a colony of the British people. And in order to sell their products, colony ମାନେ କାଣା ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ସେମାନେ ବିକିବା ଲାଗି ବିକ୍ରି କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ମାର୍କେଟ ଖୋଜୁଥିଲେ, ବୁଝିଲେ କି ନାହିଁ ଇଂରେଜ ମାନେ।
Yes, sir.
ତ ଏସବୁ ଜାଗାରେ ସେମାନେ ଅଧିକାର କରିକରି ଭାରତ ହେଲା, ଆଫ୍ରିକା ହେଲା, ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଜାଗାରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର କଲୋନୀ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା କରିକରି ତାଙ୍କର ଉତ୍ପାଦିତ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡାକ ସେମାନେ ବିକ୍ରୟ କରୁଥିଲେ। So India was also a colony of British Empire. ବ୍ରିଟିଶ ସାମ୍ରାଜ୍ୟର ଭାରତ ମଧ୍ୟ ଗୋଟେ ଉପନିବେଶ ଥିଲା କି ନାହିଁ? Is not it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Take for example, I am giving you an example. In America, you have seen the people of England had gone to America. Those people ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଅସନ୍ତୋଷ ହେଇଥିଲେ ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡରେ ରହୁଥିଲେ, ସେମାନେ ବିରକ୍ତ ହେଇ ବା ଇଏଟା ହେଇକରି ସେମାନେ ମାନେ ଆମେରିକା ଗଲେ, ଆମେରିକାରେ 13ଟା ଉପନିବେଶ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା କଲେ, ଆଉ ସେଠାରେ ସେମାନେ ରହିଲେ। So these colonies, it was the ମାନେ ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡର ଉପନିବେଶ ଥିଲା। ଯେଉଁ କଲୋନୀ ଗୁଡାକ ଯେନ୍ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା କରାଗଲା, ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡ ଲୋକମାନେ ଯେଉଁ ଆସିକି ରହିଲେ, ଏଇଟା ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡର କଲୋନୀ ଥିଲା। ଏଇଟା नहीं इनिशियली अमेरिका अमेरिका रे जो माने एक्चुअली इंग्लैंड लोक माने अन्य देशर लोक माने आसिक एठी रहिथिले जो अमेरिका जो प्रतिष्ठा होइतिला पहला एटा उपनिवेश थिला 13टा उपनिवेश हॉलैंड लोक माने आइथिले डेनमार्क जर्मन लोक माने आसिक सेठी रहिथिले किंतु इंग्लैंड लोक मानकर संख्याटा बेसी थिला तो इट वाज ए कॉलोनी ऑफ अमेरिका इंग्लैंड कारण 13टा उपनिवेश इंग्लैंड रो कॉलोनी थिला आ से जहा कहउतले से माने इंग्लैंड जहा कहउतला ए कॉलोनी उपनिवेश माने ताहा कहउतले এবং গোটে সময়টা আসলা আমি দেখিলা যে এমানে মধ্যে তাঙ্কর মাতৃদেশରୁ ଅଲଗା ହେଇଯିବା ଲାଗି ଚାହିଁଥିଲେ ଯେନ୍ତା ଭାରତରେ ଇଂରେଜ ଭାରତୀୟ ମାନେ ଇଂରେଜ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ତଡ଼ି ଦେବା ଲାଗି ଚାହିଁଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ହେବା ଲାଗି ଚାହିଁଥିଲେ ଠିକ୍ ସେଇଭଳିଆ ଆମେରିକାରେ ଲୋକମାନେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡରୁ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ତୁଟେଇ ଦେଇକରି ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଭାବରେ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହିଁଥିଲେ so this is colonialism this is colony isn't that it
Yes, sir.
am I clear
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so colony so these people whether it is India or it is America or it is any other else so ସମସ୍ତେ ତାମାନେ ଅନ୍ୟର ତାମାନେ କର୍ତ୍ତୃତ୍ୱରୁ ସ୍ୱାଧୀନ ହେବା ଲାଗି ଚାହିଁଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ଦେଖ ମୁଁ କହୁଥିଲି ଆମେରିକାରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡର ଉପନିବେଶ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା ହେଇଥିଲା ଭାରତରେ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା ହେଇଥିଲା ଆଫ୍ରିକାରେ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା ହେଇଥିଲା ଏବଂ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଜାଗାରେ ସେମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଉତ୍ପାଦିତ ଜିନିଷଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ବିକୁଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କର କର୍ତ୍ତୃତ୍ୱରେ ରଖିବା ଲାଗି ଚାହିଁଥିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଶ ପ୍ରାୟ ବହୁତ ଜାଗାରେ ତାର କଲୋନୀ ବା ଉପନିବେଶ ପ୍ରତିଷ୍ଠା କରିପାରିଥିଲା ଏବଂ ତୁମେ ଜାଣିଥିବ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଯେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱାର୍ଲଡ ୱାର ବା ପ୍ରଥମ ବିଶ୍ୱଯୁଦ୍ଧ ଯେତେ ହେଲା ତାର ଗୋଟେ ମୁଖ୍ୟ କାରଣ ହେଲା କଲୋନିଆଲିଜମ जो समय प्रथम विश्वयुद्ध है विश्वयुद्ध गोटे मुख्य कारण है कॉलोनियलिज्म उपनिवेश अर्थात इंग्लैंड पर अन्य राष्ट्र माने कॉलोनी प्रतिष्ठा करवा लगी विभिन्न जगह चाहिए भर कंपिटिशन है से कंपिटिशन एंता है युद्धर रूप नहीं गला सो दैट वाज आल्सो वन ऑफ द मेन कॉज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड वार विश्वयुद्ध गोटे मुख्य कारण है कि कॉलोनियलिज्म बा उपनिवेश बा कारण अन्य राष्ट्र माने चाहूले से विभिन्न राष्ट्र रे उपनिवेश प्रतिष्ठा करने निजर जिनिस को बिक्री करने सो गोटे प्रकार रेस चलला गोटे दौड़ चलला व्हिच टुक द शेप ऑफ वार और जेनटा कि गोटे युद्धर रूप नहीं थिला सो दिस इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट okay hello
Okay, sir.
hello
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir. Yes, sir.
is it clear am I what I am speaking you are clear regarding colonialism
Yes, sir.
is not it see actually विश्वयुद्धर गोटे प्रमुख कारण थिला उपनिवेश जेहेतु इंग्लैंड जेहेतु तार विभिन्न जगह उपनिवेश प्रतिष्ठा कला अन्य राष्ट्र जर्मनी भी चाहिए फ्रांस भी चाहिए तो मान मध्य गोटे प्रकार रेस आरंभ होगा प्रतियोगिता आरंभ होगा जहाँ गोटे युद्धर स्वरूप रूप नहीं सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द रूट कॉज ऑफ द आमर विश्वयुद्धर गोटे प्रमुख कारण थिला ओके सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर national movement and tomorrow we'll discuss about the resistance to colonialism and other okay. It is over to Sahu sir to speak up. Hello
Sir, thank you, sir.
Yes,
sir over to
yes, we can wind up the programs, and I inform all the students. Please, please prepare yourself. Okay, prepare yourself. It will be very good if you prepare yourself. It will be more interactive, and through interaction, you can learn more things. So that is why it is my humble request to all of you. Please go through the materials and prepare yourself. If you do not have material, don't worry. And it is there in the just you click on the Google and MHI 9 IGNOU materials, immediately it will download, or it will show that PDF file. So, or you can go visit the IGNOU main website homepage, then go to the eGancos, then download the MHI 9 materials, and then just keep it in your mobile, and whenever you are free, go through it. Okay, and we'll wind up the program. We will meet at the same time, and those students who are missing the class, please inform them to join the class tomorrow. So good night to all of you, and I hope that it is very interactive. And Rakesh, I hope please go through the material tomorrow, and whatever the difficulty you have, you can share with your friends, and share with your resource person. Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Good night, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.